Mbaise. This Techno product. This Techno product from Italy. We are working with AgroLink, but Techno product. The real name of this product is Rosé. This is Rosé. You can see the logo. You can see the logo. The logo is Rosé. Then from Rosé, you get the supplier of the silo. This is the supplier. And the motor and the hub that supply to the silo. After the silo, we should have something here that they call weir. Weir is what will supply to main beam. Main beam will now take it direct to the house, main building, where the cage is. Now, this thing is working direct from the supplier to the silo. From that silo, we don't have main beam and weir. That will transfer it to that inside where they have. Let me take you inside so that you can see what I'm telling you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So as you can see, what we have here is 3 lines. Number 1,
Okay.
this is the number 1 line.
Okay.
This is the second line.
Alright.
This is the third line. And this particular third line is what we are working on. We are working to achieve my new belt. As you can see, this is the control pan. Like I told you before, in that control pan, what we have there, I told you before, is German production from Italy. This is from Italy. You can see, come closer. What you can see here, Techno poultry equipment. That is what you can see. Go close to that logo. You will see Techno poultry equipment. It's automation that's meant for this 3 line of each leg. This is a big capacity. Can carry. This one contains 15,000 capacity. While this one contains 15,000 capacity, making 30. The other last one contains 15,000 capacity, making 45,000 capacity. And the purpose I'm coming to do here from Carvet AgroLink, I think 1 minute. I came to repair my new belt. Okay. They have a challenge in buy my new belt. Like I told you, from the inside, from the outside, we have this upper. This upper is what they distribute food from here. This edge is down there. And after that, they will pick the egg. And if they are picking eggs, if they are picking egg, the egg will be coming from the rope. You can see the sign of the rope I'm telling you. This is their belt. This is the egg belt that can transport this egg from here. That can transfer this egg to this egg. That can transfer this egg to here. And this one is what they call Niagara. Niagara is what will bring that egg from the egg down there to this place. It's called automation, quick equip. So they are having challenges in my new belt, which I have changed the new one. You can see the new belt. Yeah, this is the one I changed. Show them the old one. You can see the old ones. This is 4 rows. So this is the old ones. The one I changed is new one. We tested it yesterday. It's working perfectly. Let's go. Evacuate Mbaise from the down floor because he has a problem of my knee. Now you can see the one we showed is a my new belt. There's no bed inside it. So after 2 days, they are returning those birds that were down here to the cage where they belong because they are occupied here. Many of them are 7, 6. There should be 5 in number. But due to the capacity we have here, we try to share it different place to another to settle down before the bearing of the manure. Like why you are seeing the pin back out. This we remove where we sow the manure. So that's why we remove the floor. So this is the floor. We are going to put it back just now. What you can see here is the manure belt, which we remove, the old one from down here, the one that is not good. That is the one we remove. So we are changing the one we have changed already. Okay. We have replaced it. I want to take it to the old one. What you can see, this is the edge, the end of the tree. Each length. You can see the manure belt, the one we changed. We have tested it and it's working perfectly. So this is the old one. You can see this one is even. It's about to, we are going to change this one too. We are working on this. How to negotiate and change it from the company. The people that own this place. Okay. From the company. Here it seems the same. Like I said. This is my new conveyor belt for my new. We call it conveyor. It's the one transporter. You can see the is the one that are taking all this manure. As soon as they land here, they will transport it outside, where the buyers and the customer will come and buy. This is the control, this is the switch for the both sides, both Niagara and the conveyor belt and the cage itself. All of them. This is the panel. This is the third line. This is the second line. This is the third line. So and this is the remaining manure belt for the new one which we have changed. Everything is all about techno and progress. We have installed, we have come for repair, and we have been doing it, we keep doing it, like I said. It's a techno product, but in other way around, the work is processed from Italy. If you need our supply, if you need our supply, if you need us to come for your farm consultation, we will come. If you need us to purchase land for you, for your poultry, we will come. We are made for farming. So whatever you need, if you greenhouse, we supply you. Anything poultry and agricultural equipment, we are into it. I came from Lagos for Carpet Agro Link. This is our handwork. We keep doing it. Okay. Let's see us.